Hey everybody, just a quick one for you today. Talk about wheel hubs. These oil lubricated wheel hubs. It's important to keep an eye on the levels of these on your trailer and even on the steer axle of your truck. If you look here, this is a new sight glass, you can see through it really well. Some of them, not so much. You see the word add, the word fill. There's a line by each. So if we follow this line around, if we get down to here, we want to add. If we get up to the level there, we're at full. Sometimes you need to shine a light on here to see where your level's at. You see that there, that right across here? That's your oil level. We're right at the fill line, or full line, I'm sorry. Should you ever need to add oil here, a lot of them, they have around the outside here a little screw with an Allen head. You just rotate that to the top, put a little oil in until you're at the full mark here. This one's full, so I don't actually want to add anything to it. And then a lot of them, you can just pop this center cap out here. I'm not going to take it out because this is, I don't even need to add anything there. But what you can do is just get your bottle here, squirt it in there until you're up to the full line. And that's all she wrote. You definitely want to keep these full of oil so you don't wreck your bearings, do damage to the spindle, possibly worse. If you have a wheel seal leak, this oil is going to leak out and you're going to run it dry on oil. So definitely do these checks as part of your daily pre-trip and inspections.